After you've finished doing your A/B test, if you head back over to the A/B test app, we can review the results. Once we load the app, we just need to click on Review Results. This will now load the test archive with a quick summary of everything we've sent. So we can see here each of our tests are laid out in tile format. So if we have a look at this one, we can see that we tested the subject line. We sampled 10% and subject A achieved 97 reads and subject B achieved 125 reads. If we click on the tile, this provides a little bit more information. This now provides a full breakdown of what went on with our test. So we can see the two subject lines that we tested and what opens they achieved respectively. Bottom left will show us the test date. So this is the date that we scheduled our test. And to view all the settings related to the test, we can click on the cog icon. This shows us the date, how many versions we tested, what mailing list we sent to, the item that we've compared, so in this case a varying subject line, and how we evaluated the winner. So this was by highest opens, and we waited 4 hours before deciding upon the winner. You can click on the cog again to exit the settings menu. If you wish to view the full analytics for this A/B test, we can click on Analytics over here. This will now load the familiar Email Blaster analytics so you can check out the reads, the clicks, and other associated interactions. When you're finished viewing the analytics, just click on the Close button, bottom right. To exit the report card, we can click on the X here. And finally, you may notice that one of the tests has a loading icon next to it. If it has this icon, this means your A/B test is still running and is not yet finished. We can click on it for a little bit more information. So we can see here the items that we're testing, and it also has a status of running. If you check out the bottom right here, it lets us know when the full analytics report will be available. If you decide you want to cancel a test that is running, we can click on the delete icon over here. This will then remove the test and any associated email sends.